YouTube, TriStars, Trucking. Today I'm feeling great. I'm feeling excellent. Today is a wonderful day. And the reason for this video is, as the title said, 6 new drivers from Jamaica came up on the trucking program. And guess what? I'm going to link up with those drivers. Honestly, I wanted to do this from in the morning or early in the evening, but for some reason it's taking place tonight. So I got the address from the drivers, and they're at the companies. You know what I mean? They're using a company vehicle. You know, we are fresh in the place, and I'm nearby. I actually got an email. I got an email from one of the a subscriber that subscribed to my channel, so that they are here, and you know what I mean. And they told me the location, and I was actually close by the location. So what I did was organize myself to link up with these drivers. So we got 6 drivers. So I'm gonna go. I sent them a location that we could meet up. So that's where we're going. We're gonna sit down and chat and see what's new, what's going on. Cause I mean, I'm out of that stage for a while, but I really want to know what it's like. I know, and these guys are the perfect guys to ask because they're here now, right? So in this video, we're gonna make a drive. We're gonna go link up. I don't know what time it's gonna be. The time now is 3:30, and the time is looking like it's already night, right? But that being said, TriStars Trucking. We're going to link up with 6 new drivers from Jamaica, and that is about it here in Canada. So peace out, one link, please stay true.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Yes, YouTube, TriStars Trucking. As I may say, before I leave out, make you guys know that I'm going to link up with 6 drivers. Actually, 1 driver is not here today. Right now, I'm not going to take all the credit because it's not me. The company that these guys went through to get here. But we as Jamaicans, as families, you know what I mean, as link, as crew, we are all here right now to big up everybody from here, to make you know, say the whole team there. So you are going now, we're going to introduce everybody one by one, you know what I mean, and you don't know. That video is supposed to reach them family and wife and everybody, you know, so them alright, see me guys, TriStars channel, you know. So you are going now.
YouTube, Joe Modis, you know, like big up TriStars in general, you know. Yeah, man, a one link, you know, man. You know, we're in a place I go and do the thing, you know. Wifey, Lolo, big up.
Right,
yeah,
so that
man.
Say that now, respect.
Yeah, YouTube, man, you know. Yeah, man, we're at the place with TriStars, you don't know. Real, man. Yeah, man, big up wifey every time. Yeah, man. Let's up Jamaica.
Yes, YouTube, but just by, you know. In a place, a big up TriStar and family, you know, so one love. Big up wife here, Jody.
Alright, boss.
Yo, YouTube family, enjoy, you know? Yeah, I mean, first and foremost, I want to give thanks to the Most High who make that the moment possible, you understand? And big up TriStar as well. You know what I mean, my idol. You know, so yeah, you me. I have my family back a yard. So I don't know how we good and everything. Alright, thus far. Drayden and Shy, that day I look at phone, you see it?
Which is right, we love that.
Yeah.
We love that.
Yeah, man.
See that? Yes, YouTube, like I said before, I mean, we're here as one link, right? And so we do it. And so we're supposed to combine and unite together from day one, you know what I mean? And now we're there with all of the family, the man and being at the place. You know what I mean? We're not going to release any company name, we're not going to release what the location is. But we just want to make you know, 6 drivers. They're here doing B-train, flatbed, tanker, all kind of thing. Big truck, mud thing, you hear me I say? By the end of this video, we'll have a conversation with all drivers, we'll get some information, how it's like, you know what I mean? Because we just here eat some food right now and I'm going with our vibes as we do it, like our style. Peace out. YouTube, hear me say now, TriStars, you know, Trucking, you know, with the link, all of the link and all of the soldiers in there. Here we are going to B-train, the one of my deal with on YouTube. Right now, soldier them B-train. So hear me say, YouTube, we just want to send a message here back home.
DJ, big up yourself. Daddy there in Canada. One and only TriStars are making a video here right now, my boss. Wifey, you don't know you're large. Soon to be here, so we have put it out clear. Yo, VJ, you have a general, you know. Big up yourself, same way. One link. Yeah, man. Kirk, I'm out.
I don't know. Jovan, Chanel, Shanela, big up on yourself, you know. That day I dig it under the cold phone and studying. large up every time. Yeah man, you don't know. I try stars I make that video, like, the real big man. Respect for the link. Yeah man, you don't know. One love. Peace out.
Just want to big up my two sons, you know, Jaden and Unchild. One of them go and hold it, you know, because daddy out there and I call her dig it. So I did. This is what I do enough for me, for one, you understand? I know that daddy love you now, I'm missing up. You understand? Big up to my Choka family. Yo, BJ, one called Jerry, the Sylvia. Big up. Jamaica Wells family. Up.
And they have to big up the family down in Jamaica like Jody, Baby D, Kimani, Amai, my daughter. And the world boss TriStar have made that video here. So we want to big up everybody. Make them know how we stay up here. We come to dig it and bring them up here. So one love. Oh, big up TriStar the boss.
YouTube, TriStars, trucking. Yeah, like I said before, in this video, I went to meet up with the 6 Jamaicans that came up, you know what I mean, on the work program for truck driving. Because, you know, we all want to know what it's like, you know what I mean. How was the treatment, you know what I mean, how was the training, what, you know, how was everything before you guys get on the road, what it's like, you know.
It's Michael, right, you know, from Portmore, Jamaica, you know. Then in Canada now I do a thing, you understand, we come down here to, you know, make things happen in our life. You understand, I think we were more prepared than enough for the truck driver coming here because, you know, based on the fact that we got a lot of video from TriStar, the boss himself, you know, so being here, you know, we was well prepared for certain things, you understand, so, you know, I just want to say big up to TriStar, big up to the Jamaican family, big up to wifey, she know herself, you understand, so enough love.
And it's a B-Train family. I sit down and I you know, I spoke with these guys and they're all ready, you know what I mean, they're all prepared, they're all, you know, doing their trainings and stuff like that with the B-Train flatbed.
Yeah, YouTube, this is another entry in the TriStar's production thing, you know. See me, Jomo again at you, you know. First and foremost, big up my daughter Shadi, TJ, my son and my wife Lola, you know. Big up everybody, you know, we love you know, how we do the things so everything can alright, you see me? Yeah, we're there in Canada, go on. We're alright. We're not going to say we enjoy ourselves because it's not a fun time thing, but yeah, we're alright and so far the reception we get from the people is warm. I want to tell you, say a country with still in because you saw a bush. Trust me, deep down in the bush with it. But trust me, the thing nice. You see me, so far the company we bring we up is a decent company. Find them and try to do them best to make we comfortable, you know. Them do everything for make our accommodations alright and thing, and you know, them all get a vehicle for where we can move around at any time where we use it at our personal expense. What the year my brethren pass him class 5 test and on him way to him class 1, me just sit my class 5 over there and pass it. So my brethren them I go to feed them January 18 and I saw the progress I make. You see me, little by little the whole way I go out there. Yeah man. So far we come and so far we are expecting it has been nice, you know, the company make you feel warm. You understand? This whole Canadian experience so far has been good, you know, it's a prepare for go out there to encourage you understand, to encourage you to fight, you understand? It's a company where they do them all for it, you understand? So far we love the thing, you understand? Yeah man, we just want to go up on the road, you know, see? Yeah man, I just that we just want the wheel to start turning, you know, you see me? Yeah, when the wheel turn we earn. Definitely. Yeah. The thing look good so far, I not like, we not buck up no form of negative activity, no, but you know, I want to tell us if I was dropping our store and we say Jamaican, oh Lord, I be a thing. You see me? So yeah, so far it's a good experience and we want it to just get better from where it's right there. So yeah, if you have a look in at the yard, you can see what the yard look like. You see me? This is some of the machines that were in at the yard right here now. You see me, cause holiday and most of the truck them park up. 1 and 2 of them I get service and thing. Yeah, but I saw the thing look right here now, you see me? See, we have some load in the yard where we're not gone out yet. No, I wait for ship out and thing. Yeah, man.
Load them destined for the US.
Yeah, them load are destined for the US, you know. Then there are some B train, you know. Well, a B train run still, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. You know, so with the B train, you have to make sure you strap down your thing properly. You have to put on your tarp and make sure it bungee up properly and them things. You see me? Them look at training that we get and it's a good experience. We just have to wait to hit the road properly and start make some real money, yeah? Jamaican style.
So I want to give a big shout out to the B-Train family, you know what I mean? Came up, you know what I mean? They're here a little bit over 2 weeks now.
So see it here, this is the beach train, you know, I do everything I work with, you know. Make sure so bungee them in top, falling right.
Michael.
Strap and we chain up the thing them, do it destined for America. Yeah man. Make sure so we do a pre-trip every time. Before we move out of the yard, we have to do a pre-trip. Our truck and our flatbed. Make sure tire intact, ear line, light connection, everything up and running. Carry all different type of things, you know. Right now, to tell the truth, I don't even know what the other one there, it's well strapped down, you know, but so we have all different type of things we carry, so. You see me? Yeah, man. I hate this. The machine that we are driving, you know. Western Star, you know. Proper machine, you know. You see it? Machine, well nice, you see me? See it there? Thing up to date, you see me? Proper. See it there? 20 hours this. I think a 2017 truck this, you know. See it there? Proper. Yeah man. Straight flotation. Super single run pan, you know. Super single straight. And everything. See it there? Chrome wheels and all. See? Machine a road. One thing though, a matic, but it's nice. Yeah man, see it there? Proper.
But like I said before, they're still in training, they're still putting stuff together, you know what I mean? They're still getting all their license ready up and thing, you know what I mean? They're still going out, they're still in the process. They're going to do their license, the test drive, and after the 28th I'm gonna call and see how was it, you know what I mean? And like I said before, I'm gonna go back and check with these guys. That being said, I just want to let you guys know that I finished my orientation on my new job, you know what I mean? I start already, you know what I mean? So stick around to see new videos on the company that I start with. Also, I want you guys to leave some comment and let me know what other videos you would like, you know what I mean? And also, thanks for tuning in, you know, it's TriStar Trucking, and like I said before, we're there to keep it real, right? Please remember to subscribe, you know what I mean? Please remember to follow up, please remember to keep track of the journey and what's going on, you know what I mean? And like I said, I'm gonna get back to link up with all these drivers and find out everything, you know what I mean? And keep you guys posted on what's going on and how they've been, you know, what it's been like. So please subscribe if you're not already, you know what I mean, to follow on and to leave comments and to know what's popping, you know what I mean? And like I said before, prepare yourself because you don't know who is next, you know what I mean? So peace out, thanks for tuning in, and I mean, have a Merry Christmas. It's Christmas, right? Peace out, respect, TriStars.
Bad. The best is yet to come, you know?
Morning, family. Yeah, man, a pure snow in the morning, you know. So, you know. Martin, that a drive out, you know. White out. Yeah, no. I really this me have to go contend with. Look there, you can't see nothing in front of you. Remember. Yeah, we are going to the bank, go sort out some stuff, you know. Yeah, so we ride at the company, buy for go and use, 2017 Toyota Sienna. Struggle is real, Mikey General. That's why things stay in the case and all, and I'll go up there before we lose it, you understand?
For more videos like this, please subscribe.